Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, July 5, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 28, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.085. In this period the stock has had a loss of -5.17%. This is an average return of -1.03% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Red Day on Tuesday for Ford. The Ford stock price fell by -1.06% on the last day, Tuesday, July 5, 2022, from $11.32 to $11.20. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.66% from a day low at $10.61 to a day high of $11.21. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -0.27% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 33 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 87 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $977.84 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 56.71%, or $14.67, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the lower of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.98 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -26.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -27.65% and -18.21%. The 12-month trend indicates a -1.13% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -1.77% and 121.2%. This equals a price between $11 and $24.77 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 30, 2022, and so far it has risen 0.63%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Ford stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $11.58 and $12.53. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 104 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 98 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $11.13, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 60 cents between high and low, or 5.66%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.59%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.85. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $11.81. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $11.13, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 1, 2022, Weimar John B. made an inside buy of 1,012 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Vojvodik Lin M. made an inside buy of 866 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,299 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 2,440 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Kennard William E. made an inside buy of 1,117 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 47.676. In total, the insiders bought 3,778,466 and sold 1,270,586 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Ford stock a buy? Ford holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 6th, we expect Ford to open down negative 19 cents and start trading at $11.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.